How's it going, guys? So, sun's going down, leaving work, obviously. I just wanted to film a real quick short. I have a 2012 Ram 3500, getting a little bit older, obviously a little over 10 years old now. So, one of the big issues that I've been kind of putting off because I thought they were really expensive to find was replacing my window switch. Good. Let's see if my passenger side works. Oh, that it feels good. So yeah, it took all of about 30 seconds and I actually paid like 20 bucks. So don't put it